What's up guys, Chuck Palmer here. In this video, I will show you how to replace the taillight bulb on this 2016 Nissan Rouge. The process will be similar for other make and models. The difficulty with this job is that to get to the bulb, you will need to remove the taillight. To remove the taillight, you will need to remove this plastic cover from the lift gate. To do this job, you will need a 10mm socket with ratchet and a plastic pry tool. You will first need to remove this cover. It is held in place by some clips. You will just use the plastic pry tool to stick under this cover and pop it right off. Next, you will use a 10mm socket and ratchet and remove 3 nuts. I have already removed the nuts and they were right here. The next thing to do is to release 3 clips holding the taillight in place. Just take your time and pop it right off. You might need to use the plastic pry tool for this. I will then twist and remove the plug here and install the new bulb. For this vehicle, this is the replacement bulb and I will put a link in the description. The new bulb is in and I just need to put the light back in place and reinstall the 3 10mm nuts. I will then reinstall the cover and this job is done. It's a quick short video, but that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. But before you go, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next one guys.